In this video, we'll learn how to easily enable the AirDrop mobile data transfer on your iPhone. With this new iOS 17 update, Apple has enhanced AirDrop in a couple of ways, and one of the new features is to enable the mobile data, or cellular transfer, when using AirDrop. With the new cellular data option enabled, you can continue to send and receive content via AirDrop over a cellular network when Wi-Fi is not available. In order to enable this, you'll want to open the settings on your iPhone, then go over to the General section. Now open AirDrop, and we will see this out-of-range section at the very bottom. Make sure that this Use Cellular Data or Use Mobile Data option is enabled. If you don't see the feature in here, make sure that your iPhone is updated to the iOS 17.1 version. This is a new feature that Apple released with the iOS 17.1 update, so if you don't see this feature, you have to update your phone to the latest version of iOS. If you have iOS 17.0.3 or lower, you will not see this option. So make sure you're running iOS 17.1 and enable this option in the AirDrop settings. This little trick will allow us to continue sharing files over AirDrop even when we are not in the AirDrop range. We still have to start the transfer over a Wi-Fi connection, but when we leave the AirDrop range, the transfer can be continued over the cellular connection. I hope that this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to leave a like on this video, and I will see you soon.